Breathing and circulation. The respiratory system and the circulatory system. Breathing. The air we breathe is made up of many gases. Nitrogen makes up the majority of the air. Oxygen makes up only 1/4 of the air. Other gases, such as carbon dioxide and hydrogen. How we breathe. There are different processes during breathing. 1. Inhaling. 2. Exchanging gases. And 3. Exhaling. Inhaling. When you inhale, your lungs get bigger and air goes inside them. During this process, the diaphragm, the flat muscle under your lungs, contracts. It makes your chest bigger and fills your lungs. 2. Exchanging gases. In your lungs, the oxygen from the air goes into your blood where it gets to all the parts in your body. Your blood also releases carbon dioxide into your lungs. 3. Exhaling. When you exhale, your lungs get smaller and the air and the carbon dioxide in your lungs go out. During this process, your diaphragm relaxes, your chest gets smaller, the pressure on your lungs is bigger, and it makes the air come out. So can you remember what are the 3 processes of breathing? Breathing takes place in the respiratory system. The respiratory system has different parts. The nostrils, they are inside the nose. They heat and moisten the air we breathe in. They have short hairs that filter the air by catching small particles and dirt. In this picture, you can see the short hairs inside the nostril. This is to stop dust and dirt entering the body. Another part of the respiratory system is the pharynx. It is part of both the respiratory and digestive systems. It controls the air going into your lungs and the food going into your esophagus. Another part is the larynx. It is a cavity that connects your pharynx to your windpipe. It has many membranes that vibrate. These are called vocal cords, and they produce sounds when we speak. Now, the windpipe and bronchi. The windpipe is a tube that is about 10 centimeters long. It then splits into 2 bronchi. The bronchi are 2 tubes that connect your windpipe to your lungs. The lungs. The lungs are 2 spongy pink organs, and they are protected by your ribs and your sternum. Inside your lungs, your bronchi divide into many small tubes with round ends. These are called alveoli. The functions of the circulatory system. The circulatory system transports 2 types of substances. 1, nutrients from the process of digestion to all the parts in your body. It also takes oxygen from the process of inhaling to all the parts in your body. And 2, it picks up carbon dioxide and transports it to the lungs where they expel it from the body. It also picks up waste substances that the excretory system needs to eliminate. So, the circulatory system transports nutrients and oxygen to all parts of your body, and it picks up carbon dioxide so that the lungs can expel it, and waste substances so the excretory system can eliminate them. Parts of the circulatory system. The circulatory system is made up of blood, blood vessels, and your heart. Blood. Blood is a red liquid made up of red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Blood circulates through blood vessels, and there are 3 types. Arteries. They take the blood from the heart to the rest of the body. Veins, they take the blood from the rest of the body to the heart. And capillaries, they are very thin vessels that connect arteries and veins. The heart is in charge of pumping the blood to the whole body. The heart is the size of your fist and is between your two lungs. It is an organ made up of muscles that are constantly contracting and relaxing. When your heart relaxes, it fills with blood coming from your veins. When your heart contracts, it pushes the blood through your arteries to all parts of your body. The sound of the rhythm of your heart relaxing and contracting is your heartbeat. Wounds. Your skin protects you from many infections, like a barrier. When you have a wound, this barrier breaks and germs can get into your circulatory system and reach other parts of your body. It is important to wash your wounds well in order to prevent infections. The Science Dictionary. The diaphragm, the flat muscle under your lungs. Filter, something which separates substances. To breathe, the process of inhaling and exhaling air. Exchange, when substances are transferred. Exhale, when the lungs are emptied and we breathe out. Inhale, when the lungs are filled and we breathe in. Lungs, pink, spongy organs which help us to breathe. Heat, to warm up, make hot. Moisten, to make wet. The heart, one of the most important organs, in charge of pumping the blood to all parts of the body. The heartbeat, the sound of your heart relaxing and contracting. Blood, a red liquid which is made up of red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Wound is an opening in the skin.